The objective of this video is to educate you on how you can convert an OST file to PST with the help of Recoveryfix for OST to PST software. First, you need to make sure that the software is successfully downloaded and installed in your system. Run the software, and in the home screen, click on the Browse button to select your file. Select the desired OST file, and click on Open. Now, select the mode of conversion, Standard Mode for Healthy, and Advanced Mode for Corrupt OST file. Make your selection, and click on Next. Wait until the scanning process is over and all the files from OST file will be extracted and displayed on the screen. Here you can have the preview of items that file contains. Now select the folder you wish to convert. Click on Save to proceed. Here, you can choose among multiple saving options and customize the conversion. Go for the required options and click on OK to finish. The saving process will start. Once it is done, click on OK. The OST file is converted to PST successfully. To learn more about the tool and download the trial version, please visit the link. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.